I'll need to wear earplugs now. Before it wasn't too bad, but this is just... God. This is just insane, man. And cops can hear you all over the place, too. They can just freaking, like, listen to where you're going. And shoes are totally untied. That's loud. Wow, my shoes are... I need to fix that. It's gonna get caught up in that sprocket and just... This is a normal takeoff. But who wants to listen to that? Alright, I'm done. I almost beat the light. You know, I'll give it to you that it's freaking loud. It sounds like orgasmic. It's amazing. I love the sound. But man, this is gonna kill my ears later on in life. This is freaking just, gosh. This is loud, man. I don't know if I could, I don't want to wake up my neighbors either. God, man, that is just obnoxious. This bike already got enough attention as it is. Play this clip. This clip, some of y'all have already seen it before, but I'll go ahead and play it. But that's with the freaking silencer in it. And that thing sounded like a freaking race bike. Wow, man, this thing is just insane. You could definitely just like... Is it a loss of power? I don't know. I can't really tell. Some people say you lose a lot of horsepower, but I don't know about that. Go ahead and go into this. Even though that was illegal, I don't care. I'm gonna just flip around real quick. I'm gonna go get geared up and then I'll go out for a ride. There's a cop right there too. Yeah, we'll just go catch up to that real quickly. Oh, he took off too. Boom, son! Third gear, man, that is just obnoxiously loud. Alright, time to go get geared up. I'm gonna go head up to the canyon real quick and I'll go get geared up and and stop acting like a lunatic. Oh my gosh, there is a cop behind me. Good thing I brought my wallet. Well, I think I'll just turn right here. Now he's following me. Yeah, I'll be honest, I was being stupid. There's the baffle in my bike. I took it out and I was testing it, and yeah, I'll be honest, I was going a little fast, but yeah, I just wanted to test.
Speed when you passed me, then I lost sight of you. No, I'm going to give you the benefit of the doubt this time.
Okay.
But I will not next time.
All right, I appreciate that, officer.
Okay.
Apologize. Shoot. Dang it. Oh, jeez. Jogo and Cycle Cruiser. You guys are some smart people. Of course, that's like the one time I'm like, you know, squidding. Not really dressed up right. Hey, how's it going? This is my house. Hey, at least he didn't catch me when I was going freaking 1-something on State Street. Oh, I mean, I'm just going to speed limit. That's what I actually meant. Man, that could have been so bad. I could have went to jail, man. Could have been impounded for my bike. Put in jail. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that was dumb. Oh, that's freaking funny. And like the freaking video I do before this, I'm saying how calm I am. Oh gosh, that's so funny. Oh, where am I? I'm gonna collect myself before I head out. Okay, I need to calm down. I need to realize what I did was wrong, and he was completely right. I was being stupid. Yeah. Oh wow, that because I thought I saw them sitting there on the left side. I didn't know what they were doing. Hey, this is not a bad turn. I don't know how bumpy it is, but it seems alright. And alright, I'm putting the baffle back in. That's bad luck. I carry 2 luck charms. One's my good luck penny, and then the other one is in my suit. And the other one's like a keychain. It's in my suit. That fortunately, you know, protects me from like crashes. And then my lucky penny, you know, well, obviously I get lucky with that, and well, I guess I kind of did. I must have it on me because I didn't get a ticket. Oh my gosh, dude, that was dumb. I was so dumb. What was I thinking? What? I've never gone that fast on State Street. Never. Okay, maybe once when I raced that Mercedes AMG, but I normally would never do that. Gosh, that was so stupid. Gosh, I look like a total douchebag. Especially the freaking video I did right before this. Gosh, I promise. God, would you shift up? I promise I'm a safe rider. Oh, I just got a little obsessed with that no baffle, man. Oh man, that is dangerous stuff. That was just retarded. I can't believe I did that. Yeah, he said he saw me and then he didn't. Well, officer, I was going to speed limit, I swear. I was like, what the freak was I thinking? Yeah, I was going a little fast. I don't freaking say that, you freaking motard. And then I tried turning into the neighborhood, like what freaking Cycle Cruiser said. He's like, yeah, just pull up into like a house and then act as if you're going inside. That didn't work out. He still talked to me. That's because he had suspicion that I was hauling a booty hole. And then freaking Jogo says to take responsibility, and that's what I tried to do. Oh, don't do what I did, guys. That was just dumb. I can't believe what I was thinking. I'd never go that fast on that road. I only go fast on like the highway or like the empty roads. Gosh, that was so dumb. Don't do what I did. Don't do what I did. And stay safe, guys. Please.